There is something peaceful about Greenmont Farm, but the beauty and the magic of a horse farm does not come without work.
You wake up, the horses come first, you got to go out, you got to check on everybody, everyone gets fed, the horse stalls get cleaned, everyone gets looked over.
Sabrina Moore doesn't mind though. Greenmont is a family-owned and operated horse farm, and the work comes with rewards.
I'm very lucky to be able to do this every day, and I absolutely love it.
And now she gets to share that love, the horses, the farm, with others. To celebrate their 90th anniversary, the Maryland Horse Breeders Association is hosting horse farm tours on Saturday.
We really want people to understand how important the horse industry is to Maryland. It's a billion-dollar industry, and a lot of it is on these horse farms. It's the agricultural part of the horse industry.
With more than 705,000 acres in Maryland used for horse-related purposes, this is a chance to come check it all out.
I'm really excited for people to get an inside look at what we do every day and to see, how important our jobs are and how much we really love our horses.
Greenmont Farm is just one of the many farms that you can tour on Saturday. In total, there are 13 in 5 different counties. All of the tours are free. It's a unique opportunity to experience something many people don't get to see. Maryland has more horses per square mile than any other state, so come meet them on Saturday from 11 to 3. In Reisterstown, Megan Pringle, WBAL TV 11 News.